again, that's a very inspiring story because that the same lady, the founder of Canva, was rejected 100 times.
100 times, yeah.
And it's one of the biggest tech startup in the globe. You know?
True.
So don't think your idea is bad.
Yeah. Indian clients has a very lack of awareness
Yeah,
in
yeah.
them. But मेरे 7 महीने के experience में it was like international client is more understanding because they are very clear about their vision.
Correct.
Indian clients look this
Very
as
short term.
spends, very short term. ये वीडियो डाल के यार मुझे 5 लाइक आए, 6 लाइक आए. You have to be consistent over an year. You
Yeah,
can't achieve growth like in 1 week or 2 weeks. So if you're very young, if you're still in college or something, please don't waste your time just roaming around at the campus after your college is over. Work on your skills, like highly important. I was actually dreaming of getting into Beer Biceps, which was like a very uncertain dream because अभी तक मैंने जॉब भी नहीं चालू करी है. अगर आप देखते हैं तो मेरी पहले इंटर्नशिप थी, वो मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आना चाहिए था. So I'll tell you, हम खुद को ही रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देते हैं यहाँ से that we'll not be able to do. I used to make sure कि एटलीस्ट मैं मॉर्निंग में या तो नाइट में एक मेल मैं ड्रॉप करूँगी Beer Biceps में, एक मेल मैं ड्रॉप करूँगी ह्यूमंस ऑफ बॉम्बे में.
So today's conversation was a very heartfelt, very candid, very interesting conversation from one founder to another. अगर आप एक ऐसे बंदे हो जिसको अपना कुछ भी क्रिएट करना है लाइफ में, लाइक यू वांट टू डू समथिंग बिग इन योर लाइफ, यू वांट टू क्रिएट योर ओन बिजनेस, योर ओन एजेंसी, आज हमने पूरा रोड मैप डिस्कस किया है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गर्ल हु लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग व्हेन शी वाज इन आई थिंक 11th स्टैंडर्ड, कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी lavish life to Mahada to again going to a state where she did it all on her own. So today we have Muskan, and I think this whole conversation is gonna give so much value in your life that you will definitely leave a comment below this video, and this will add value in your life. Enjoy today's episode. So hi Muskan,
Hello.
welcome to Dream with Dheeraj show. And before ये conversation हम start करें, मैं लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ, like you know, Muskan has worked with Ranveer, Sharan, a lot of big brands like Cred at a very young age. And that is the exciting part of this podcast. Like, she is a founder now at Scale Socials, and she's worked with multiple clients, multiple international clients. So, एक लड़की, you know, who lost everything at a particular age, and that we will discuss in this podcast, to becoming someone who has, you know, crossed a very big revenue, 6-figure, 7-figure, exciting numbers. तो पूरा हम खोलेंगे आज इस चीज़ को. And at the end of the podcast, what I want you guys to take away is कि how do you एक तो achieve big in your life, but how do you have that mindset to take that path on, irrespective of what you face in the journey? So welcome.
Thank you so much, Neeraj, for like such a wonderful introduction, and I'm so happy to have you today. Yeah, so please tell me, like, what do you wanna like? I guess we have already discussed a little bit, but you wanna know more, definitely. So
Yeah. तो शुरुआत से थोड़ा सा शुरू करते हैं. And now you are an agency owner, ठीक है? You're
Yeah.
working with clients.
Yeah.
But for our viewers, let's go back to when you weren't like nothing of all of this.
Yeah.
Like when you lost everything. I want to go back to a phase जहाँ पे I know your family was in a lot of debt. What was your age? I think 17, 16 at that
Yeah.
point of time.
Yeah.
From a person who used to be living in a comfortable home to coming to an uncomfortable life,
Yeah.
right? And then still thinking कि नहीं मैं वापस से जा सकती हूँ वहाँ पे. I want to talk to that, Muskan.
Perfect. So I'll I guess start with the time when everything was very good. So like my dad took VRS from his government job and everything was very good. Like I'll tell you, I used to choose the car जिसमें मुझे मॉल जाना होता था. Like which color car I will go today. Everything was very good, but suddenly
इतनी कारें थी?
3 थी.
अरे वाह, भाई.
3 थी, चौथी बुक करी
इतनी
थी.
तो हमारे पास साइकिलें नहीं थी.
अरे चौथी बुक करी थी यार. एंड आई टेल यू लाइक हमारे जो गैरेज था बिल्डिंग का, वी वर अलॉटेड लाइक 1 पार्किंग.
Okay.
बट देन वी रिक्वेस्टेड अदर पीपल
भाई कैसे एडजस्ट करें?
अरे कैसे
चार
adjust
हैं.
करें? एग्जैक्टली चौथी बुक करी
चौथी book करी.
बट सडनली लाइक ऑफ कोर्स लाइक लाइफ कम्स विद ऑल द काइंड्स ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स. सो like my dad took a very impulsive decision of investing in a business which was like a restaurant business. And like it went completely opposite to the plan. Like we were set, like we'll purchase this property, that property, everything. Life was totally set. And I never imagined myself in that situation. Like जो भी मैंने बोला, like at the next moment my dad used to get me that thing. So I was like that kind of a person कि हाँ आज dad से request करी कि can I please, like I'll tell you one incident. So I requested him that I always want to drive a scooty.
Okay.
So next day he took me to that TVS showroom and he got that. So उतना हाथों हाथ, you know, my dad took me always.
भाई इतनी जल्दी तो हलवाई हमें लड्डू नहीं लाके देता था.
I know. So you know, like I was like a very pampered child, very pampered.
I can
child.
see that.
And then like I'll tell you, like all this thing very suddenly everything happened. So like in 1 year or like one and a half year, my dad's business, like it went in completely opposite direction. It went in a complete loss. Like we lost a lot of money, like about 3 crore or something. Like all our wealth and everything went like this. And we started shifting, we started moving our houses. So in the house that we used to live, like it was a dream place, like too big. I was having my separate room and stuff. And eventually when we started losing our wealth, we started shifting to houses that were low on rent, of course.
Okay.
So we even stayed in like a property like Madha in Mumbai, which was like the worst phase of my life, where I felt so suffocated. And I'll tell you that उस time मेरा वो घर उतनी ही square feet का था जितना मेरा एक room था पहला वाला. Like it was my bedroom. And धीरे धीरे 1-1.5 साल में करते करते हमारा पूरा घर ही उतने square feet का हो गया. And then I realized that I need to move out of this house. I can't take it in this way कि okay, like chalo, now I have to take the situation on my shoulders. So I was like in 11th and 12th, I started searching for jobs, and I was in like arts. I took arts, so इतना studies का pressure नहीं था. I used to study like 1-2 घंटा and I used to manage it because
So when you came into Mahada, what standard were you in?
I just got done with my 10th.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And when you were choosing the color of the cars, कौन से standard में थे?
7th, 8th.
3 साल का gap है.
Yeah, हाँ. So like धीरे धीरे when we start degrading in that thing now, like that started affecting a lot mentally. And I'll tell you, when you don't have money in your pockets ना, आपका self confidence बहुत कमजोर हो जाता है. You started feeling lonely and you don't have that much confidence in yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna pause you here.
Yeah.
मेरे को एक बस चीज इसमें ऐड करनी है. This is one thing that I wanna teach people. और I think it's a level of life.
Yeah.
कि जहाँ पे आप अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ को ना मनी से बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच कर देते हो.
True.
That gives you a lot of mental trauma.
हाँ.
I think when you can live very happily, even thinking कि आपके बैंक में कितना बैलेंस है, that is a very bliss state.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a difficult state to achieve.
Yeah.
But I think ये किसी चीज़ पे भी डिपेंडेंसी हो तो it is a very difficult state to live in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. And you know, like I'll tell you that of course money इतना भी matter नहीं करता है that it's suppressed.
करता है.
Everything,
Don't get me wrong.
everything,
करता है.
हाँ मतलब of course, but इतना भी नहीं कि
हाँ.
you know it started overpowering.
Self worth पे कभी नहीं जाना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
self worth पे कभी नहीं आना चाहिए. But it limits you a lot when you
Yeah.
have a very limited money
Yeah.
ना. It limits you a lot of perspective क्योंकि आप खुद को बहुत low feel करने लग जाते हो कि okay मतलब so I'll tell you that why I'm saying this, of course. So when I was in 11th and 12th, I started searching out for jobs, and there were many companies who were not looking out for freshies, and even you know I was also having a self doubt by stepping into those
So
offices.
you were looking at the age of 10th कि you started.
11th. Yeah, I was in 11th. So I started looking out for jobs. Maybe I could fit in somewhere because arts में तो मुझे काफी interest था ही, and I wanted to learn. Like always,
Yeah.
that habit used to
Creative,
be there.
yeah.
Creative, yeah. So ultimately, like after 6 months of hunt, I couldn't get into anywhere because of course people were looking out for some experience kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
someone.
सबको experience चाहिए,
हाँ,
नहीं दे
and I got nervous also at that time. I had a lot of interviews. I messed it up.
Yeah.
So and then I was like, okay, let's just try BPO maybe. So I just went to like BPOs and they were like, we don't require anyone in day shift because you have your college as well.
Yeah.
So why don't you do it night shift? And the money they were giving me, I was like, okay, fine, that works. And that would support my house also. That was another thing. So I took that job. I did for like 6 months and 6 to 8 months I did it. And then I was like, this is again taking a toll on my mental health. Again, like money is fine. But what about like this? I don't want to do this for the entire life. Like I don't want to sit on the calls. I don't want to do this. Where am I heading to? So that was like a warning alarm that okay, this is not the right direction I'm
I think
going.
I would pause you यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
ये जो BPO वाला part होता है ना, it's a very transformative stage.
Yeah.
Like now you realize कि मुझे सिर्फ पैसा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सुकून चाहिए.
Exactly.
You know,
exactly.
I have worked into an outbound call center. तो वहाँ पे ना तकलीफ के भी 2 फॉर्म होते हैं. एक होता है inbound, थोड़ा कम तकलीफ है. आपको एटलीस्ट सामने बंदा कॉल कर रहा है.
Outbound is worst.
Outbound is like, oh my god, like another level of game.
True.
But it helps you increase your communication to another level.
Yeah.
Human interaction में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आपका EQ, IQ सब बढ़ जाता है. But you understand कि यार जॉब का मतलब it's not like गधा मजूरी करो. Even at graveyard shift.
True.
So very important.
Very important. And I guess that was the phase when I realized, okay, money is also important. Job satisfaction is also something that is very important. So
सुकून.
again, सुकून बहुत ज़रूरी. And आप जो काम कर रहे हो ना, end of the day when you're going to sleep, you should be very proud of it. That is again very important. for this generation, definitely. So I'll tell you. Then I decided to move out of it, and बहुत एक पता है I don't know, like it was never in the plan, but बहुत randomly I met one girl from Bombay Times, and she was shooting on a campus, Sophia College में.
Yeah.
And I was very curious to know how Indian journalism works, how these journalists actually put out a story. I went to her. I'm like, I was nervous, my legs were shaking, but I was again like, I was very kind. कि, can you just tell me something about how do you guys actually publish a story?
टीवी पे आते कैसे हैं,
टीवी पे
अखबार
कैसे
में
आते हैं, हाँ काम करते कैसे हो तुम लोग, कितने like how the process is involved, you shoot, then what happens next, and I was very curious. So and she was also very kind. So we just grabbed a coffee, we sat on the campus, and Sophia College, trust me, it has a beautiful campus. We just sat over there, and the conversation, I thought that it was just a quick 15 minutes conversation. It went on for like 2 hours. And she explained me everything, like in and out of journalism, BMM, media and stuff. Prior to that, I was never attracted to media. I thought that I would take BA and would pursue like a normal job or something. This, what am I doing currently, was never a part of plan.
I never thought I would be doing this.
Exactly.
मतलब ये कौन सोचता थोड़ी ना है.
हाँ,
See, life happens.
Life happens.
Yeah, and मैं यहाँ पे एक interesting चीज बोलना चाहूँगा. I want to make awareness about time and money. दोनों की. Like time versus money. Initially people chase money चाहे वो कितना भी time जाए. They don't see the ratio of value that they get. But once you get more mature, you realize it's not the money that you're getting. कितने कम time में you are getting that money. That is what increases your value.
True.
अमिताभ बच्चन पेटीएम पे बोल रहा है, धन्यवाद, पैसा कमा रहा है भाई आवाज देके. He is not actively working, but he is getting the monetization through voice. Now that is the highest form of leverage that you can get. कि आपको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ रहा है, but your personal brand is so strong that you get the leverage out of it without investing the money, without investing the time.
Yeah, absolutely, truly. So I'll just go ahead.
You met the newspaper girl. You
Yeah,
had a
I in
2 hours
fact
talk.
published a few articles in Bombay Times, so that actually got featured, and my confidence, I'll tell you, my self-confidence started increasing from that point. I never imagined that I would write an article that would publish in a newspaper that tons of people would see. So that was like a turning point for me, the first turning point. Then I realized, okay, why not I'm taking BMM? I'm also, I want to be confident. Like, I want to get a chance to speak on the stage and camera. So I was like, okay, perfect. And I took BMM from the same college that journalist had did. So it was RD National. I took admission in BMM. But again, because of the COVID, we were just able to attend the college in the first year. But I'll tell you guys, so if you're very young, if you're still in college or something, please don't waste your time just roaming around at the campus after your college is over. Work on your skills, like highly important, because I'll tell you, in first year, I was, after my college used to end, I used to just take an auto and go to the office. That was the first internship I actually applied officially. It was with Rudra Life. They were dealing with Rudraksh and stuff. I got an opportunity to work as a social media intern for them.
Okay.
And I was not very confident of doing an internship in, mythology and stuff, but I loved it. So I worked over there for 13 months. Social media I did for 3 months. Later on, I realized I can add more responsibilities into my bucket. And then I told them that I'll take the responsibility of content as well. And I'll tell you, my internship stipend also get doubled.
See, I feel like एक और एक interesting skill है. Let me pause you. Is that once you focus on increasing your skill, your value increases. People do opposite of it. People think कि मुझे और मांगना पड़ेगा तब मेरी value बढ़ेगी, नहीं. और करना पड़ेगा तो value बढ़ेगी.
Yeah, exactly. And that's like a major misconception. I'll tell you guys that whatever time you're spending on yourself, maybe on scrolling phone or something, just keep an eye on the active skills that are actually in high demand, that will really take your careers like to next level. Because I've seen, like in my company also, it's not just like we have full-timers. We also have freelancers who are working with us on the weekends after their corporate job.
Yeah.
So it's not like that they are hating their job or something. It's like they have a side passion as well, through which they are again monetizing a lot. And as you said, time and money should go hand in hand. So
see, I see you got connections, like एक चीज से दूसरी चीज led on की, दूसरी चीज से तीसरी चीज. Then you met, I think, Ranveer's team. वहाँ पे एक connection बना. Humans of Bombay एक tangent आया. I think that's a very beautiful journey. But what I see, the pattern is that you were curious to try.
Absolutely.
You were curious to try. I think people don't think enough कि मैं कुछ और भी कर सकता हूँ. Like very limited in their mindset.
True.
यार ये भी मैं कर सकता हूँ. Like even for me, like I was in a software job.
Okay.
Right, so I'm like doing content, script writing, ये सब advertising के नाम से तो मैं भागता था भाई, ये तो मेरा तो कोई relation ही नहीं है, like media से कोई relation ही नहीं है. And now I'm like, okay, I have to, when I select something, okay, I come into this category now. I'm like very okay, grounded, like See, the life teaches you a lot.
Yeah.
Sometimes you
definitely.
might be saying ki yaar, sales is the most pathetic thing in the life to do. And now
Yeah.
I say it is the most beautiful thing to do.
Yeah,
It turns.
absolutely. Yeah.
It turns because your
Definitely.
perspective shifts. You understand कि यार ये तो life skill है. It's not a job. It's not a profession. You are selling yourself. You are selling your ideas. You are selling something, but you are constantly selling in life,
Yeah.
even without knowing it. So
That's
coming back to your journey, like you got connections, you got one point to other because of your
Yeah.
curiosity.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you this कि जब ये lavishness या what you can say comfort टूटता है, how did it mentally affect you? Because see, the point is you still had a mindset कि चलो मुझे initially पैसे कमाने का mindset था, फिर ये था कि नहीं हम इसको better तरीके से कर सकते हैं,
Yeah.
फिर ये था कि हम इसको उस चीज से कर सकते हैं जो हमें पसंद है.
पसंद है, exactly.
Right? So you evolved so much in such a short span of time.
Yeah.
So I want to understand about your mindset also कि एक low phase आया,
Yeah.
you were broken, you had the responsibility, you were the elder child of the house.
Yeah.
वो था ना हर बच्चा बोलता है मुझे करोड़ों डॉलर की कंपनी खड़ी करनी है, but they don't have patience.
Yeah.
I think अभी कितना हो गया? I think must have been like 7-8 years more
Yeah.
than that.
Yeah,
Close
more
to a
than that.
decade.
Yeah.
Close to a decade. अब जाके you can say I'm earning 6 figures, 7 figures, right? But हमें तो 6 महीने में चाहिए.
Right.
हमें तो 3 महीने में चाहिए. आज हमने सोचा 3 महीने बाद कंपनी खड़ी, 6 महीने में हम तो
Yeah.
अखबारों में आ गए.
So over here, I would say, Neeraj, that it's all about. So I've met a lot of people, okay, in this past 7-8 years, and what I feel is the lack of that spark. And I'll tell you. तो मैं वो इंटर्नशिप वाला टॉपिक पे थी. अब मैं उसको थोड़ा elaborate इसलिए करती हूँ बिकॉज वो 13 months में भी it was not like I was just doing my job and going home after college.
Correct.
I was actually dreaming of getting into Beer Biceps, which was like a very uncertain dream because अभी तक मैंने जॉब भी नहीं चालू करी है. अगर आप देखते हैं तो मेरी पहले इंटर्नशिप थी, वो मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आना चाहिए था. सो आई टेल यू कि हम खुद को ही रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देते हैं यहाँ से दैट वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू. एंड आई टेल यू व्हेन इट वाज माय लो फेज ना, आई डिडंट लेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स अफेक्ट मी. Of course, like I used to sit alone, I used to cry, all those things were there. But ये नहीं था कि I used to never let it overpower me. कि हाँ, I had my dreams very clear कि 5 years down the line I want to land here. और वो 13 months की internship में भी I'll tell you कि whenever I used to go home, I used to make sure कि एटलीस्ट मैं मॉर्निंग में या तो नाइट में एक मेल मैं ड्रॉप करूंगी Beer Biceps में, एक मेल मैं ड्रॉप करूंगी Humans of Bombay में. Those two were like my dream companies, and I'll tell you, 3 बार I've given my interview with Humans of Bombay, but they had this condition that first you get done with your graduation. Because this internship you won't be able to manage with your college, and my college also had very abrupt timings. I was like, okay, fine, please count me after my graduation is done. But I was like, I can't wait till then. Again, so that's how Beer Biceps and all came into the
When
picture.
you told me तुम्हारी dedication की दाद
Yeah.
देनी पड़ेगी, you just didn't email. You emailed for literally like 6 months.
6
First
months,
month,
oh god,
like
it was
मतलब
very crazy.
लोग 6 महीने तक ना एक घंटा नहीं दे पाते हैं
true.
to their fitness. You gave 6 months to emailing. See, that shows. See, all of this thing ना मेरे को एक चीज दिख रही है कि you were constantly upskilling,
Yeah.
but you were constantly also thinking कि मुझे ये growth चाहिए. Like I don't want to be stable. I think people fail at thinking big. There is a book if I remember the name, The Power of 10. It tells you that जितना भी तुम effort डाल रहे हो ना, you need at least 10x of that. और जितना भी तुम्हारा goal है ना, you need at least 10x of that as well. Like जितना तुम सोच रहे हो ना, उससे 10x और ऊपर
और
सोचो.
सोच रहे हो.
और
Yeah.
effort भी जितना डाल रहे हो, उससे 10x और डालो. That is the minimum effort that you require.
Yeah.
So people think very small, but they expect big.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
That's true. That's true. And they limit themselves a lot. Like they get very comfortable of what they are getting. अब I'll tell you कि जैसे if you're working in corporates, okay, मैं भी corporates में work करी थी before jumping to Beer Biceps.
Correct.
So internship के बाद भी I've done like a few jobs in various domains. But again, like 1 तारीख को जब आपको salary credit होती है ना, that creates a very comfortable situation around you. बहुत comfortable हो जाते हो आप अपनी salary में. You like अगर आप 30 तारीख को सोच रहे हो ना कि मैं कंपनी से resign करूंगी, the moment on first if you get, हाँ, आपका thought process पूरा बदल जाएगा.
चीनी जैसा है.
हाँ.
चीनी जैसा है. अब आदत होगी ये 6 साल से चाय पीने की, तो फिर बहुत difficult है.
And it is very courageous act to actually get out of that cycle. It's not very easy.
See, what happens is, मैंने ये बहुत बार बोला है, known pain is better than unknown pain. आपको लग रहा है ना ये तकलीफ तो मैं झेल रहा हूँ, 6 साल से लोकल ट्रेन में जा रहा हूँ, आदत हो गई है.
आदत हो गई है. हाँ, true.
उसके अलावा बाहर नहीं जाना. वो धक्का भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah.
But that is the thing.
Yeah.
कुछ लोग वो एक स्पार्क होता है उनमें कि नहीं यार मेरे को ये नहीं करना, मतलब नहीं करना, सुई तो
That's
चुभती
like the
है।
1% of the people
या
who have this spark.
या मतलब आप कुर्सी पे बैठो, आपको नीचे से कांटा चुभ रहा है, आपको रोज उसकी आदत हो गई कि इतना तो चुभता ही है, इतना तो चुभता ही है, बट जिस दिन आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि नहीं आई वांट अ कंफर्टेबल पिलो और आई वांट सो मच ऑफ पेन कि इट इज वर्थ इट,
Exactly.
सो चूज योर
Right.
पेन।
True. And like this mindset you need to develop over the time. Like, of course, if you're watching this podcast also right now, it won't be like कि ये podcast खत्म किया then अचानक से mindset आ गया. It's not like that.
हाँ.
You need to keep developing it over the time. You need to keep working on your skills because ultimately अगर आपके goals बहुत high है, okay, I want to reach at a certain level. But again, if you're not working towards it, of course, that's not gonna happen. तो I'll tell you, like BOSF एकदम internship से वहाँ नहीं पहुँचा, काफ़ी सारे jobs and roles came into the place. And when I got done with my graduation, actually I saw an opportunity that Big Brain is actually hiring for a social media manager. And my friend, coincidentally, who was with me in RD National as well, she told me she was working there as a scriptwriter. She's like, Muskan, this is the golden opportunity. This is the time you should leave your corporate job.
पोस्ट आते ही मैं
Post आते ही, अरे I was like, अभी I'm applying. So I left everything, I gave the assignment, and again, everything went well. I got that opportunity. But again, the major concern over there was कि now I have to think with a very different mindset. Media industry doesn't work like corporate at all. तो I'll tell you कि Big Brain का मेरा पहला दिन था, ठीक है? मैं 9 बजे जाके वहाँ पे बैठ गई ऑफिस में. People started coming at 12:30. And I asked कि okay, was I too early? And I got a response कि yeah, media industry works till late. Yeah. So I'll tell you, like corporate में I had a mindset कि 10 से 6 मैं काम करूँगी. 10 से 6 के बाद मैं इतना फोन्स नहीं उठाती थी. I had my mindset कि यही मेरा work timing है. Saturday Sunday I used to live my life, which was like a jail kind of a thing for me. So I wanted to come out, and that was like a biggest opportunity. I'll tell you why. The corporates, like I'm of course not bad mouthing corporates over here because a lot of people are working and they are gaining a lot of things out of it. So. But I'll tell you, like it depends on the individual. For me, it was not good because maybe I was meant for media, and that was like a turning point. Okay, to get over there, I changed my mindset when I started working in BioSFs. And how, I'll tell you. I started, and I was an introvert. I'll tell you. Corporates where you get like a proper plan and a proper skeleton.
Structure,
like,
yeah, it's very organized. It's very
काम करना है. And इसके, of course, if the wordings also change, you don't have the freedom to put it out. Like whatever has to go on the website, there's a hierarchy system that works in the corporates. But media industry, में you have the right to take your idea. कि हाँ, I believe in it. I take the. So I'll tell you, like in that 1.5 year when I worked in Big Brain, I took that channel as my baby. Social media pages as my baby. Okay, whatever I'm putting, it's like I'm putting it. I'm the responsible
it's representing you. Yeah.
हाँ, so that changed my personality of working. That 10 to 6 का mindset was gone. I was like, okay, no, I have to make this piece a hit. So I used to put extra time in the script writing and stuff.
मेरे को एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा एस्पेक्ट लग रहा है because I have worked 10 years in corporate myself. तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है पता है क्या कि it's very process driven.
Very process driven, yeah.
Not result oriented. I'll tell you why. Media is very result oriented. They don't care आपको 10 बार रिपीट करना है आप करो, बट ये जब तक हिट नहीं हो रहा ना हिट नहीं हो रहा.
Exactly.
That's the point. वहाँ पे वैसा नहीं है. वहाँ पे आपको अलग रिपोर्ट मिलती है कि आपने 10 एरर कर दिए, अगली बार 2 कम करना, 3 कम करना, 4 कम करना. Because the end goal is very different.
Yeah.
Even the client is expecting very different result. आपको यहाँ पे चाहिए कि एक तो यहाँ पे टाइमिंग बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. कॉर्पोरेट इज वेरी डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे आपका वो अगर कल T20 वर्ल्ड कप था, अगर उसका क्रिएटिव आज जाना है तो आज जाना है. 10 दिन
जाना सुबह गया तो टाइमिंग इज गॉन.
हाँ, रेलेवेंट नहीं है ना, रेलेवेंट नहीं है. सो इट्स लाइक वो क्या बोलते हैं, न्यूज, स्पोर्ट्स, एंकरिंग, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू मीडिया इज वेरी टाइम बाउंड.
डेफिनेटली.
एंड इसमें अलग प्रेशर है. एंड देयर इज सो मच ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन, लाइक एवरी टीम इज
कोऑर्डिनेटिंग. या
सो आई फील लाइक कि कॉर्पोरेट के अंदर द माइंडसेट ऑफ अ पर्सन इज कि ठीक है, मैंने अपना 2 रुपए डाल दिए इसके अंदर, मैंने अपना काम कर दिया, मैंने अपना काम किया, बाकी रिजल्ट आया ना आया मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. यहाँ पे कैसा, यू आर ओनिंग इट बिकॉज पीपल आर ऑल्सो गिविंग यू फीडबैक बेस्ड अपॉन वेदर यू आर मेकिंग अ हिट कंटेंट और नॉट. Because if you are useless if you are not making a hit content.
Definitely.
ऑफिस में ऐसा नहीं है. ऑफिस में आपको फीडबैक दिया जाएगा, ठीक है आपका सैलरी में 10% देने वाला था, 5% करूंगा. not giving me that kind of revenue. और ठीक है, तुम मैं सह लूंगा, तुम्हें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, काम तो कर ही रहे हो तुम, हमें तो लॉयल लोग चाहिए ही हैं जो पूरी जिंदगी डाल दे इसी ऑफिस के अंदर. And that's a see, I feel कि everything is suited for a different person in a different environment.
Yeah. Definitely.
अगर आप ऐसे बंदे जो प्रेशर हैंडल नहीं कर सकता, जो सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है उस लेवल पे, then maybe the corporate is a
Corporate
better.
can be good for you.
Yeah, it can be excellent for you. Like I've seen people like 25 years retirement तक एक ही job, एक ही company.
Definitely.
Not even
Yeah,
switching.
like our parents' generation, यार, they were so dedicated to their jobs,
Yeah,
like every
yeah,
single
yeah.
day. They never took it like, okay, आज मैं नहीं जाऊँगा या नहीं जाऊँगी, or feeling bored about the work. It was nothing like that. But I'll tell you, okay, why this thing is with this generation, because we are having so many options. Tons of options, and it's not like you can't be good at more than one or two things. You can be. Like I'll tell you, in my company also still, apart from the operations and being like a co-founder, I still work because I don't want to lose my touch over like I still write scripts. I still do social media management. So I'll just tell you that social media and content writing are two different skills. But again, I'm good at two. So it creates a very confusing situation for someone from this generation कि भाई मैं pursue क्या करूँ? मैं तो कॉर्पोरेट पे हूँ, मैं वीडियो एडिटिंग भी अच्छी कर लेता हूँ. तो आई फील लाइक देन यू आर एट अ पॉइंट वेर यू हैव टू मेक योर चॉइस कि वेदर यू आर अ गुड फिट फॉर मीडिया और लाइक अ गुड फिट फॉर कॉर्पोरेट, बिकॉज दीज टू आर डिफरेंट, वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर.
I think every job is. I think every job is. Even in corporate, every job is. अगर आप मर्चेंट नेवी के ले लो, आपको 6 महीने बाहर है. See, it's a different mindset.
Yeah.
Are you made for it?
Exactly. And you need to figure out that, like, are you made for it or not? That is,
and that is where you won, I would say. You know why? Because you experimented very early.
yeah.
So kahin na kahin that loss of losing that comfort at an early age boosted your ego कि नहीं मुझे करना है, मुझे उसी लेवल पे वापस जाना है और अपने दम पे जाना है, and I need to bring my family back to that level.
Yeah.
So that was a very, I think, a good turn of event eventually in your life now, if you see
Yeah,
that.
like I'll tell you guys, I'll be very honest in this pod. Like in those 4 5 साल लग गए यार वहाँ से यहाँ तक लाने में. And हर रोज ना I was very uncomfortable with where I was staying. I wanted to go back, and this was my manifestation. In the place where we are even sitting right now, this was like a dream 4 years back.
Yeah.
Like I will get back them in the same place. A lot of things it took, but उन 4 साल I never took it as an opportunity. Now I am seeing it, okay, अगर ये नहीं होता तो आज this version of Muskan wouldn't be sitting here. I would have been very comfortable in my dad's empire, but now I'm very like the change that got into me because of all these events and situations, that was very different.
I think you always wanted to sustain a quality of your life.
Yeah.
So that somehow helped you push your boundaries always कि नहीं यार वापस से उसी level पे रहना है. And somewhere that's a good motivation as well.
Yeah, like of course there was a fear also कि मेरे को वापस इसमें नहीं जाना है, इसमें नहीं, इतना
FOMO.
नीचे नहीं गिरना. FOMO तो था कि always I want to go better, better, better. In fact, even the jumps and the job switch that I took over the journey was always better, like for a better company, for a better pay scale, for a better role, for a better team also. Like I always wanted to enter into team. Like I'll tell you my mindset. Wherever I work now, I want to be the youngest. Wherever I'm sitting, I want to be the youngest. तो अगर वो mindset है आपका, तो I'll tell you कि before also Big Brain, I was handling a team of 5 in collaboration with an agency. तो पूरा social media plan बनाना that, तो I always stepped out of my comfort zone, which is very important. Like I'll tell you,
Yeah,
meeting room
it
में
is.
जाने के पहले I used to be very uncomfortable. Shit यार, like the people who are will be sitting there will be coming from 15 years, 20 years of experience.
Yeah.
But again, when I was out from that meeting room, I'm like, well done, Muskan. And like,
And you should be like okay with being judged.
yeah.
You need to be okay with being judged, and people will judge you at every walk of your life and at every walk of what you can say the journey. कि यार मैं इसकी बात क्यों सुनूं, ये तो यार कल की लड़की है, अभी तो 11th स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर है, 12th में है, ग्रेजुएशन जस्ट पास की है, हमने तो यार 20 साल से हम ये काम कर रहे हैं.
True.
But if you can stay humble and if you can prove results, people listen to you.
Yeah.
So now I want to talk about this thing about personal branding first of all.
Okay.
अब कैसे कि क्रिएटर इकोनॉमी बूम कर रही है, तो हमें उस चीज़ पे एक डिस्कशन करना है. बट बिफोर वी डू दैट, राइट, यू हैव गॉन थ्रू सो मच एंड यू हैव स्किल्ड दिस, you have scaled the things. I want to talk about the mistakes a person should avoid.
As a founder or like in general?
Let's talk about in general when they want to achieve something big in life.
Correct. Okay.
Because I think it will be very similar. And then as a founder specifically, when we talk about the agency and personal branding part,
perfect.
so that would be the second half of the question. The first half would be कि ठीक है मैं 17-18 साल का लड़का हूँ, लड़की हूँ, मेरे सपने बड़े हैं, मेरे को 4 कार चाहिए, हर रोज अलग अलग कलर में जाना है, ठीक है, मेरे को जाना है, मेरे को नहीं पता, ठीक है. आई वाज वाचिंग आज बॉबी देओल का, इज लाइक आई एम चूजिंग माय पोर्शे, आई लव इट. उसके पास ऑप्शन भी ऐसा है कि पोर्शे में जाऊं या लैम्बोर्गिनी में जाऊं, तो मेरे को कोई दुख नहीं है दिल में, है ना? So
Yeah, true.
and I want you guys to have big aspiration. That's never be ashamed of thinking big.
Yeah, definitely.
ठीक है, but with that also have a mindset of what it takes. Like लोग है ना उसको बहुत लाइटली ले लेते हैं, अरे आपको सेल्फ डाउट से आना पड़ेगा, आपको लोग जज करेंगे, आप ऐसे टाइम आएंगे जब आप एकदम टूट जाओगे, आपको लगेगा नहीं हो सकता,
True.
बट हो सकता है.
हो सकता है, yeah, absolutely. So I'll just tell you the few things that actually worked for me. Number one is always keep experimenting. By that I mean कि एक short में even I didn't got to know कि okay मेरे लिए यही best है. Always keep experimenting, never be ashamed, and कहीं पे भी कुछ भी अगर learning experience हो रहा हो, if there's any event or anything, like don't be scared to be a part of it. कुछ नहीं होगा, like there would be no loss of you going over there and not doing anything. But I'll still do that networking thing whenever there is any event or something that is happening. Always keep doing that. Always keep an open eye of what's happening around you. Number two is always work on the skills that is monetizable, not just now, in the next 10 years.
Yeah.
By that I mean कि wherever you are, always work on one or two hobbies. Like apart from like what your job is or what your role is, maybe if you're like being a part in your dad's business or something, like what do you have, like what
Correct.
skills do you work on it?
Correct.
तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हो सकती है, सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट हो सकता है, कॉपी राइटिंग, लाइक इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू कमिट टू अ कंपनी और समथिंग, मे बी यू कैन डू इट एज अ फ्रीलांसिंग गिग और टाइप, एंड यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दोज थिंग्स. Number 3 that I would suggest is always be consistent. Don't leave what you're doing. It's देखो रिजल्ट कभी भी इंस्टेंटली नहीं आता है, लाइक इन माय केस तो इट वाज
मैगी नहीं बनानी है हमें.
हाँ मतलब यार ठोकर खा खा के सीखोगे यार लाइफ में. सो नेवर बी अशेम्ड ऑफ यू नो टेकिंग अ स्टेप. नहीं हुआ वर्कआउट, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. आई स्टेप्ड आउट फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ रोल्स एंड जॉब्स in my journey because I was like it's not suiting to me, it's not something that I want to do. But it was not like that कि okay मैं fail हो गई, नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. And तब तो situation भी ऐसी थी यार कि I was like नहीं कुछ करना है, and that hunger. Number 4 is hunger. You should always have that. Always think big. Like never be comfortable of what you're having
Yeah.
right now. Always think big and keep upgrading yourself. Like by that I mean, so I'll tell you. Like I was never too consistent on social media. Okay, I was never keen on posting things
ठीक है,
and stuff.
ठीक है.
But the moment I switched into my agencies and all, we started posting case studies. By case studies, I know by that I mean कि entire thing how we
हाँ,
actually
मतलब how
help.
when they joined
so
you,
I was
what is
never
now?
concerned
Yeah.
about कि यार मेरे को खुद को market करना है. But that wasn't like a need of time. So start working on yourself and building your personal brand. If you have worked on project that is successful, start posting about it. Start talking about it.
Okay, very interesting take here. कि if people don't know about you, how they can reach you?
So I'll tell you that.
Right.
Yeah, exactly. Like that's all about it. So and you know I've seen that change in like after I started and I've been into it. I started with LinkedIn. Instagram was never in that bucket starting me because I'll tell you like being a founder and being into
Yeah,
this
LinkedIn
profession,
makes more sense.
LinkedIn
Yeah.
makes more sense.
Yeah.
Plus, LinkedIn builds more credibility
Yeah.
whenever there is search about my company or about me. Of course, they see the following, they see the stuff. They most importantly be active. It's not like कि एक महीने पहले पोस्ट डाला था, then like it's the biggest turn off. So yeah, तो पर्सनल ब्रांड अगर दिखाओगे, अगर देखोगे नहीं, बेचोगे नहीं, तो यार लोगों को पता कैसे लगेगा आपके बारे में कि क्या चल रहा है, what's happening. So you need to start working on that stuff as well. Like especially when everything is going digital. वो कार्ड वगैरह का मैं तो न्यूज़पेपर में यार ऐड भी नहीं देखती. It's all about for me it's digital. Like if it's there,
Yeah.
like of course.
Yeah. I think you can be the biggest or most famous like person out there. Like क्या बोलते हैं? Even if you create a masterpiece and it's just in your basement,
It makes no sense.
nobody's gonna pay for it.
Exactly, and
Nobody's
it makes
gonna
no
pay for
sense.
it.
Exactly.
Yeah, and
true.
but it is worth something. It is worth something. I think we underestimate a lot. So if, for example, let's summarize this. I'm a 17-year-old. I have a big dream. मुझे कुछ करना है. I'm gonna work on my skills. ठीक है. I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna have some hobby apart from my passion, whatever I'm trying to pursue. Right. I have to stay consistent.
Yeah.
Think of a long-term thing. Anything
Yeah.
else you wanna add?
Hunger that
Hunger.
I
Hunger.
added because I'll tell you कि
And show what you're doing.
show
Personal
what you're
branding.
doing, yeah. And by that hunger point is very important because you know people choose, they do, and they leave.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be there. That cycle you shouldn't break. That cycle you should always be okay. चलो ये achieve हो गया. You should have goals for yourself. Like that is
Yeah.
super important.
Yeah.
Monthly goals, 3-month goals, 6-month, 1-year plan at least. So in my case, right now I think of like 5-year vision. But earlier it was still 1 year. Like okay, if I'm working on the skill, it should be long run.
Okay, very interesting take.
Yeah.
5 साल छोड़ो. दिन को प्लान करो. Like I definitely feel this कि the power that you have in a day
Yeah,
controls your life.
definitely, exactly.
So if you cannot plan your day, you will never be able to control your life.
Hmm.
हम आगे 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 भागते रहते हैं, but हम ये नहीं देखते कि हमारे हाथ में तो सिर्फ present है. And I think that creates a lot of anxiety in these teens and young people who have big aspirations.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैं भाग तो रहा हूँ, मुझे गाजर दिख रही है, भागे जा रहा हूँ, भागे जा रहा हूँ, भागे जा रहा हूँ. But I'm not controlling the things that are needed to actually achieve it.
हाँ, so by that, even adding to that, I think you should divide and plan your day because you can't be everywhere, guys. Of
Yeah,
course, like एक friend यहाँ बुला रहा है, एक friend यहाँ बुला रहा है, एक friend यहाँ. You need to set your priorities in that age, like especially that
Yeah,
17,
yeah,
18,
yeah.
19. Till 20, I would say, because people think of completing their education first. So I think you should set your priorities because in that time ना I'll tell you from the mindset of a 17, 18-year-old. Okay, मेरे कॉलेज में me and my friends used to step out. एक gang जाता था. Okay, let's explore Mumbai.
Oh my
और
God.
I used to go. Okay, now it's like my office time. I need to go and work. तो अभी भी वही mindset है like of 17, 18-year-old. But I would say that you need to set your priorities. ऐसा नहीं है. I'm not saying that don't go out and stuff, but work hard.
Yeah.
Do like इतना मेहनत करो in that 17, 18, 19 years का time because you're a young blood at that time. You are like high on energy कि यार ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है. And but वो भी एक proper system के साथ. Okay, from this to this time I'll be in college. This to this time is dedicated to my skills. Again, adding to that point only, I said कि you need to plan your day. It's super important.
I think when you are in action, you are not having that kind of an anxiety, right? मतलब मैंने भी typically ये देखा है, like I come from a little previous decade than you, लेकिन इसमें ये चीज़ होता है, वही होता है same चीज़ कि एक गैंग जाएगा मेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार और एक गैंग जाएगा कि we'll just go and consume something. I think the easiest hack that I can give anybody out there is कि तुम ऐसे बंदे को follow करो जो वो कर रहा है जो तुम करना चाहते हो. If
You should always have mentors.
Yeah, you should. And if you can't have mentors, just make somebody in your head. Because what happens is कि अगर मुझे एक बॉक्सर बनना है तो मैं देखूंगा जाके मोहम्मद अली के वीडियोस, ब्रूस ली के वीडियोस, राइट? If I want to become a great podcaster, I'll see the biggest podcast, Joe Rogan, whatever it is, the best in the world. जो अभी they're killing it in the game, right?
Yeah.
Because now I see the mindset, the way they are talking. Now I see the things they are doing. Now I follow them. अब social media से पता है क्या हो गया? It has become a very easy way to understand how this person has achieved this kind of level.
Yeah.
तो अगर वो बंदा पोस्ट कर रहा है मैं सुबह उठा 6 बजे और मैं आज अपने डॉग को वॉक कराने लेके जा रहा हूँ और मैंने अपना डे प्लान कर लिया. He is also giving you the idea कि मैं इतने बजे उठ रहा हूँ. This is my routine. This is how I start my day. This is how I plan my day. I have a pet that I take care of. Then I have my team. He is giving you so many insights. अगर आप सोशल मीडिया को अलग तरीके से देखोगे, it is giving you एक तरह से तो वो चीट कोड है.
Yeah.
It's giving you a very inside view.
Very inside view, yeah. And you're able to follow someone that you are very passionate about
Yeah.
to learn from so closely. You get to know so much कि यार okay, this guy is actually planning the day like that, and I can take inspiration from the same.
Yeah.
So social media is actually in the Gen Z's perspective, social media is perceived in a very wrong way. It sets a very like unrealistic expectations,
हाँ,
but ultimately people don't know this side of the
थार
social
की
media.
रीलें आ रही है ना सब. True.
अरे international trips, people are that iPhone वगैरह का
Lot.
trend, all that started from the social media only. But people are not looking at the brighter side of the social media, which is like you can learn so many things by not paying so much on heavy courses and all. Like I have never done any course. I'll tell you. Like all I've learned is through experiences, through falling down. Like internships में I'll tell you. Like बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है that people are like, Muskan, I think we need to change the copy. This is not looking good.
Yeah.
But I again then took it कि चलो भाड़ में जाए, stipend ही तो है. But again it was like I'll improve myself. So
See, you are
all those
getting
things are
paid for learning. See it in a positive way.
True.
तुम्हारा अपोजिट है. तो मैं तो इवन डेल कार्नेगी एंड जब वो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करने गए थे, आई थिंक विंस्टन this thing, Warren Buffett. So he was scared of public speaking. Dale Carnegie is one of the oldest person doing public speaking. Like I was getting paid for learning public speaking
True.
from the best. तो मेरे लिए तो वो स्टाइपेंड बोनस था.
हाँ, definitely. Like exactly. You should take all that experience.
कोर्स किया है,
into
सामने
that.
वाले ने पैसा दिया है आपको. That's also a good way to do it. I think people don't realize it. आपको ना ये समझ में आना चाहिए when you're young, you should value the skills that you can learn first.
Yeah, true. Money should be
Then
like
rate
secondary.
yourself.
Then rate yourself, and then start from learning. And I'll tell you, ये learning mindset develop करना is
See,
also very difficult.
very interesting thing in my head. Let's name some of the skills that we both know that give you a good value for money to start with.
Sure.
Like for example, video editing is one.
Yeah.
Copywriting is one. You are a very
Yeah.
famous copywriter. You can add two.
Yeah, copywriting, then content writing. Content writing is very, like, people
Yeah.
of usually mix copy and content, but it's different. Digital marketing is of course one of the skills that are
Yeah.
booming a lot.
Yeah.
Performance marketing is also one of the things that are in highly demand right now. And I'll add one more skill to this. We usually included this, of course. Like right now, we have started
Yeah.
included in our video editing services because there are so many creators that are booming.
Yeah.
It's thumbnail designing. Everyone can't do it.
Everyone can't
It's an
do
art.
it. It's an art. It's an
And it comes
very
from
good
a
paid
raw,
art.
Exactly, and it comes from a lot of trial and error. आपका वीडियो कितना भी अच्छा हो, ठीक है? It will totally depend on what kind of thumbnail, how provoking you are making that thumbnail. Not clickbaity, but how creatively you are actually designing it. जो पूरा आपका जो 1 घंटे का कॉन्वर्सेशन है ना, आप उसको 3 वर्ड्स में कैसे बता सकते हो? With a creative art, that is like a thumbnail designing.
SEO. Again a skill. YouTube description.
YouTube description,
Managing
yeah.
YouTube page. Posting.
YouTube
Scheduling.
management, social media management आ गया पूरा वहाँ पे.
Virtual assistant. So I think ये इतने सारे skills हैं. पता है funny चीज़ क्या है? इनको सीखना आसान है. Some thumbnail designing I would disagree कि वो थोड़ा difficult हो सकता
वो
है.
थोड़ा ट्रायल एंड एरर से आए.
हाँ. It takes a learning curve.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say कि it's hard. I say learning curve.
Learning curve, yeah.
But video editing, basic. You won't be paid like 50,000 initially, but आप 1,000, 500, 2,000, decent. आप vlog edit करो, it's not that difficult. Cut, storytelling. But the point is, आप एक बार skills पे focus करना start करोगे ना, you grow, you network.
Yeah.
Okay, whether it's video editing, SEO, thumbnail designing, LinkedIn, whatever it is. Even I think carousel we missed. Carousel भी designing is a very
It's very
fantastic
important.
skill.
It's very important. And I'll tell you guys, मैं इसीलिए यहाँ पे add कर रही हूँ
Canva.
because Canva, it's super like I'll tell you, I also started with Canva. बाद में Photoshop पे I upgraded, but Canva, like if you know how to use it and if you have your creative design, templates हटा दो एकदम, कोई जरूरत नहीं है उनकी.
अब तो upgrading
Start
मत करो
making it from
Photoshop
scratch.
पे.
हाँ.
Because now Canva has reached to a level with AI. It's insane.
It's insane, truly.
Very much insane. Like professional companies are not investing in Photoshop because see Photoshop के लिए आपको एक ऐसा talent भी चाहिए जो उसको पूरी तरीके से use कर सके. Canva में आपको talent को train करने में कम time जाता है और उसको उतना दिमाग नहीं लगाना, आपको बैठ के strokes नहीं देने हैं. Canva कर रहा है आपके लिए. And I think again that's a very inspiring story because that the same lady, the founder of Canva, was rejected 100 times.
100 times, yeah.
And it's one of the biggest tech startup in the globe. You know?
True.
So don't think your idea is bad
Yeah.
if it is rejected a couple of times, right? People give up. अरे 2 बार rejection, 3 बार rejection, 4 बार rejection.
Exactly. They just lose hope. Like imagine yourself also in that same situation, getting rejected. She kept on trying it. Like that's massive.
So I think we have covered कि एक टीम को क्या करना चाहिए, what is the mindset that they should have. इस पूरी जर्नी में कभी ऐसा पॉइंट आया था कि लगातार ये अब नहीं हो सकता, बस क्विट कर देते हैं, हम हाड़ा में ही ठीक है, यही लाइफ है, दिस इज द सच, अब नहीं हो सकता.
यार ये हुआ था when again like मैं वही लाइफ जी रही थी कॉर्पोरेट वाली and I'll tell you the life in Mumbai is not that easy also, like not in terms of where you are staying, not in like in terms of how you are traveling. ठीक है, कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ that I was literally outside like hanging in the local train and like ultimately you know at the night I started questioning myself कि what I'm doing, I'm just sustaining my house, this is not, it's gonna happen. I started losing hope, but I was like this is my destiny, I'll keep rotating in corporates and all. But again, like it was not like कि मैंने opportunities ढूंढनी छोड़ दी थी and stuff. But ultimately, like I started looking out for more opportunities. Apart from these 2 companies also, I was looking for elsewhere as well. But again, like that happened. It was a very sudden thing. My friend suddenly just called me and it was like, okay.
So you're not just somebody who started at 17, 18, but now you're somebody who's a founder.
Yeah.
Actual entrepreneur. Successful entrepreneur. So मतलब ये mindset shift कैसे आ रहा है, आज मैं महीने के 10 लाख कमा लिए या whatever it is, whatever the number may be, but how does it make you, what you can say, see things differently?
So I'll tell you कि यार mindset
फटता
बड़ा
है popcorn ऐसे दिमाग में और
अरे बहुत, see I'll tell you that being an entrepreneur has a lot of good sides as well and being an entrepreneur is like very training also
Muddy
at
area.
times. हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा यार, मतलब मैं तुम्हें बता दी अभी पूरा breakdown करती हूँ कि अभी तो यार this is like the 7th month of our business, but I have started thinking.
Take me 1 to 7. Come on, let's
perfect.
do that.
So first month में I'll tell you कि if you're a very new company, it's the first month of your business, आप ही सब कुछ होते हो. You are doing everything. Like I'll tell you, we I
फाउंडर
have
चपरासी के बराबर होता है क्योंकि ही इज डूइंग लिटरली एवरी स्क्रू
everything,
फिक्सिंग.
everything. And I'll tell you, my co-founder who's into video editing and stuff. So मैं तो like हम दोनों की skill set बहुत अलग है, and that's actually our
Pro.
USP,
Yeah, yeah.
because that's actually working in favor for us, because मैं बहुत ही different background से आती हूँ. I'm into copy, content and social media. That's
Yeah.
it. I was never into video, but he adds that video editing skill, and this is how we complete the loop. So first month में we started getting clients, and it was more than our expectation, which is
So primarily in the first month it was like video editing services because I think you
हाँ,
existed.
we limited on our services on the first month because we were like कि पहले हम इसको sustain करेंगे, फिर grow करने
Yeah,
पे
yeah,
focus
yeah.
करेंगे. First month it was just video editing, but I helped him getting the sales.
So you
as
had
well.
some clients already.
We already had a few clients, because I'll tell you कि मेरी जब company start हो रही थी ना, उसके पहले I was working with a few people. Like Big Brain तो I left, उसके 2-3 महीने के बीच में I was doing freelancing. But then again they wanted an upgrade in their service. They were like, do you do video editing? Do you do that? So वो सब queries
Yeah,
आने
once
लगी
you
थी.
so let me break it down. Once
Yeah.
you get the client from any service, video editing से start किया.
Yeah.
They want like आप थोड़ा copywriting कर दोगे, आप थोड़ा सा
Yes, they were,
consultation कर
but
दोगे.
I'll tell you कि इसकी need वो लोग नहीं बताएंगे. It is
You
you
decide.
need to identify and you need to convince them कि okay, don't look it as a perspective of just investing. You are actually you'll get an ROI when all these things will be under one umbrella. And इससे आपकी productivity भी बहुत बढ़ती है यार.
Initially ये होता है क्या कि so initially is it that you focus on giving one skill and limiting yourself? Once you sustain that, then you ask them कि you know you can do this. Now we
This is
have
actually the best approach, and this has actually worked in our favor, because अगर आपने just suppose शुरुआत करी है, and शुरुआती दिनों में तो it's not like you will be having the best team of the world.
and you
in
don't
your
have a
hands.
testimonial.
You don't have a testimonial.
You
and
don't have a case study, yeah.
You have nothing. All that you have is your past experiences and the credibility that you already carry.
Correct.
So for both of us, we decided that we will limit on our services. We didn't even started actually
So what were
copywriting
the
and content.
services?
The service was just social media and video editing. तो social media भी हम इतना diverse नहीं कर रहे थे उस time, because it was just me managing. We were just focused on the video editing service. And usko we nailed it. Like in like 1 month, we made sure that every video that is going out to the clients will be coming with the 0 corrections. तो उसको we nailed it. And उस time I'll tell you कि बहुत ही trial and error process है. First month पे we started attracting clients on all the budgets. That
So
was
let's
like a major mistake.
Scale the revenue from 1st to 7th.
Okay, perfect. So first month में our revenue was around 2 lakh. 2 lakh तक revenue आ गया था video editing में, but we
Apart from production cost.
apart from the production cost, and we entirely focused on like हमें बस client लाना है. That was like a major draining process as well. फिर we jumped onto
And
the
how did you do that in the start?
first month पे तो we were having like freelancers and all in our network, because we sort of created that network with our people. Right now those people are working as a full timers in our company, but उस time they
So
were
you reached
freelancers.
out to freelancers to market.
To complete the project, but we were like the touch points of the projects. We were
You ensured the quality, I get that.
yeah, definitely.
You ensured कि scale social से जो भी जा रहा है it meets a
It
benchmark.
means yeah.
ठीक है. तो मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि like when you had no testimonial, when you had like initial एक पहला महीना है, how were you like as founders? You were reaching out yourself.
We were reaching out, yeah.
One is that. Apart from that, you were doing anything, and if you were reaching out, what were the platforms you were using? What were the mediums?
So the platforms that we were using were Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For both of us, like both of us were into reaching out
So
phase
cold.
at that time. It was like that, and also networking. Like whoever we have connected in the past 2 years, like as like a general conversation or something, or whom we knew that okay, this person is active on the social media, might require a
How
service.
many you reached out in a month?
We reached out to around 80 to 100. उस टाइम बस ये अभी तो ये रेशियो हमारा 2 दिन का है. उस टाइम it was like a month का, because we were very
Limited by the
we were
resources.
limited.
Yeah.
We were just starting off.
Yeah.
We were just setting up the processes at that time.
Yeah.
It was like that, but still we managed to earn that money, and that was like a game changer, because we were like, oh, अगर हम इतना कर सकते हैं, 2 of us and just a few freelancers, how much we will expand if we just get on
commit to
more,
it.
get on more members and stuff. Second month से then we started on building more quality for that people. We started more meetings, frequent meetings, because
Relationship.
हाँ, relationship. Because अगर आपका video editing project रहता है, it's like the client have shared with you the raw files, and he will be expecting the final output based on the brief.
Obviously.
We started including him in that process, like of the video editing as well. Like this was your idea, and this is how we can make it better. Like what do you think about it? So एक को वहाँ पे जब comfort level आप बढ़ा दो ना client के साथ, and that comfortability and all, that client also started opening up a lot. This is
So
how
you
I
basically
do the
provided a
marketing.
script
Not at that time, like because we were
So their idea.
It was their
You
idea.
improvised on
Yeah,
that.
they just gave us the raw file and they were like, we want the best output of it.
Got it.
Then we started setting up a lot of meetings in the second month. Like an entire time went in meetings and outreaching to the people.
Yeah. As a founder, you have to do it.
और second month में हमने थोड़ा expand करना भी चालू कर दिया. Like our freelancers who were working at other places as well just started dedicating the entire time to ourselves because the project volume was increasing.
They are getting dedicated money. They are getting committed.
So we actually bifurcated our clients. Like first month में हमारे जो clients थे वो very well paying clients who were like we were very sure that this person needs a service for 1 or 2 years.
Name some of the clients like if any big. I think you worked with Cred.
We have worked with. So yeah, तो Cred और Sharan का जो project आया था it was in the first month only. So
wow.
We kind of ensured that the quality that person is getting that meets the top notch quality. तो वो हमने इतना बाइफिकेट उस टाइम पे नहीं किया बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली द प्रोजेक्ट आउटपुट्स वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. दे वर हैविंग अ टीम एंड प्लेस थिंग्स एंड स्टफ. तो हमने बस फोकस किया था दैट ओके द वीडियो क्वालिटी शुड बी गुड एंड दैट वाज लाइक द फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट. फिर सेकंड मंथ
so
में
if I can ask you, so first month you did 2 lakh revenue. You reached out to 8200 number. And you did it yourself. Couple of freelancers. ठीक है, आ गया एक सेटअप हो गया, एक पता चल गया कि हम कर सकते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. ठीक है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं तो इंक्रीज होता ही है. When you were catering the services, was it like batch? Like couple of like आपने 10 videos का contract ले लिया. I'm just trying to understand that if somebody starts, is it a good approach to start in a batch? Like you had social media as a service. Social media में maybe you provided thumbnail designing stuff like that, right? But was it beneficial for you as a company? Because if I had 4 clients, and if I am doing a batch package for them, for example, 20 videos, 15 videos, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is. So it brings me more revenue in a company rather than doing just one single project.
Definitely. So I'll tell you, कि second month में, as I said, the entire time went into making a package for them and making them realizing that all these services, if they and what they can expect if they give all these services to us. So basically, we give them a proper plan, structure, skeleton. Okay, this is how your things will look at in the next 6 months down the line. Second month के end तक आते those clients were converted, and they were like, and most of them were international.
As you mentioned, it's an international client that you started working with. So if I don't have a testimonial, I go on LinkedIn. If I don't have a testimonial, and you have now started with the first, so how many international clients was there in the first month?
In the first month, it was about 3 to 4.
3 to 4. And what was the total ratio of clients?
Total ratio, like including the Indian ones, if you will, it was around 10 to 15.
10 to 15, cool.
Yeah.
So उसमें से 4 to 5 were international. So let's specifically discuss why tapping into an international market along in this 7th month journey. I think you tapped more into international market. So पहला month मेरा हो गया. 4 मेरे international client है. Now I want to know, how did you tap into this thing? Because I think they are more testimonial driven. That's my mindset. कि हमें result दिखना है. Now if you don't have a result in the start at least, so how do you sort of bring them?
So I'll tell you, see, that's why we started with the video editing phase, because the requirements for a lot of foreign clients, it was not like they were coming for the like all of the services in the first. So वो जितने भी foreign clients थे हमारे first month में, उनकी video editing were only like giving us the one video, and once we gave them the video, we took the testimonial very quick. And then we arranged a meeting with them. Okay, this is a requirement and stuff. And we also made them explain, if you will go with a monthly plan, as you said,
correct.
that if you set
batch
deliverables, if you give the batch, of course the cost reduces a lot. So that's how we sold them. And हमारे पास एक video का testimonial आ गया था.
What was the batch?
Batch like that depended, but it started with like around 15 videos and it went up to 45 videos. Like.
Okay.
It varied in that.
Reels or?
It was short form. So first month में for the international one we focused on short form only, because I'll tell
easier
you,
easier
to produce and उनकी जो quality also they are looking forward to, it's very easily achievable.
Okay.
So yeah.
So they are less demanding compared to Indian clients and more paying compared to Indian clients.
I'll just tell you कि in Indian, so इसका answer I'll tell you in this way कि Indian clients has a very lack of awareness in them, and I'll also tell you कि
पैसा क्यों मांग रहे हो, करना क्या है?
जब हम एक एजेंसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आते हैं ना, it's not like we are your employees. It's a partner relationship that we are taking your certain deliverables and we are executing it. Indian clients have still into this dilemma कि okay, now we are paying them money. This is our team. which they need to understand. तो काफी सारे differences हैं if you're actually functioning in Indian
Yeah,
market and
obviously,
international
obviously,
market.
obviously.
But मेरे 7 महीने के experience में it was like international client is more understanding because they're very clear about their vision.
Correct.
Indian clients look this
Very
as
short term.
spends, very short term. They're like अगर 1 महीने में
मिल
वीडियो
क्या
नहीं
रहा
चली
है?
तो मैं बंद कर दूंगा.
मिल क्या रहा है?
या मिल क्या रहा है, ये वीडियो डाल के यार मुझे 5 लाइक आए, 6 लाइक आए. I'm like, this is a consistent, you have to be consistent over a year. You
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
achieve growth like in 1 week or 2 weeks. तो I feel फॉरेन में या अब्रॉड में ये लोगों को ये लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस वाली चीज़ नहीं है. दे फॉर्म में सामने से बोल देते हैं that we know this is not like a 2 months process.
Cold reached international through LinkedIn?
See, I'll tell you कि email marketing has been a game changer
For you guys.
for us a lot because हमने email marketing से ही start किया था. Then we started leveraging on LinkedIn.
And where do you get this email, like a clientele?
That depends. Like हमारे काफी सारे जो freelancers थे, they also had their own networks. So they gave us that data that okay, maybe we were working for them on this service. Maybe you can try reaching out to them.
Got it.
वहाँ से हुआ and उसके बाद से LinkedIn पे भी when we were trying
Yeah,
out to reach
obviously
out to people.
testimonials आ गए.
Plus my other co-founder, he was already in the podcast segment. I'll tell you, and that podcast segment worked wonders for us because when he had and all of those podcast people were international. So whenever he used to do a podcast. So we used to take 5 to 10 references from them. That also helped us build a mutual connection with them. So we focused heavily on networking in our inner circle. यार email marketing में जो response rate है ना वो hardly 10% भी नहीं होगा आप जितने emails भेज रहे हो बाहर. And ऊपर से you have to personalize every email. So it was like a very draining process that was taking place. तो इसलिए हमने LinkedIn leverage करना चालू कर दिया. And by LinkedIn I don't mean that just posting a day. It includes a lot of things. Just if you're contributing to any of the articles and if a lot of people are attracting towards that article, make sure that you go to their profile, just check out if they're same domain or not.
Yeah.
Send that request. So LinkedIn is not just a 10 minutes thing of a day. It's like you need to make sure that you are active.
At least an hour or something.
But you need to prioritize which platform you want to be. So in my case, my founder and I had split that. So I was focusing on Instagram and LinkedIn. My co-founder was actually focusing on Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course Instagram was there. So हमने platforms divide करके work करा. But ultimately the end goal was focusing the scale socials and the services that was offered. But I'll tell you कि जो phase था ना मतलब monthly में we didn't divided it कि इस month हमने ये focus किया, इस month ये focus, इस month revenue was in the focus. Keeping the company
Obviously, you need to
sustainable
progress,
was one of the goals. But our goal was to कि हमारे साथ किस first month में if some freelancers have given their time and stuff, how we can get them full time because ultimately
you have to
आप कोई भी
sustain.
company freelance पे sustain नहीं कर सकते because of course if you
need to rely now also.
हाँ because तो हमने 4 महीने का यही plan बनाया था कि networking very heavily and by that I means like even though if we are talking right now over here my other co-founder is actually going outreaching हाँ तो it makes the process very easy. तो 4 महीने जम के नेटवर्किंग करी एंड हमारा गोल वाज वेरी क्लियर लाइक हमें इंडियन मार्केट में और ये भी गोल मतलब स्टार्टिंग में नहीं आया था वी वर लाइक वी विल डू 50-50 बोथ. फर्स्ट मंथ में वी अंडरस्टूड दैट फ्री डूइंग और ऑफरिंग दिस सर्विसेज इन द इंडियन मार्केट वोंट बी दैट प्रॉफिटेबल एंड स्केलेबल right now
because the effort is also very high. I think people don't understand this कि आपको तो एक वीडियो ही बनाना है आपको क्या करना है so many things SEO ये वो caption
and it's very difficult to make them understand again वो self awareness नहीं है उस scale पे नहीं है ultimately like if you're working with like the top creators or like the 1% of the creator economy things are very different there.
Yeah, obviously.
They understand.
They know कि return of investment इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Yeah.
Like in the long term they know कि ठीक है मेरे को अगर 10 वीडियो मिल रहे हैं मेरा टाइम बच रहा है I am gonna get so much money through this personal brand and whatever it is. So they understand the larger picture.
हाँ, and they're very clear about their goals. And I feel in content creation journey, you can't set 1 month goal or 2 month goal.
So what is the disparity, if I can ask? Like I would say the disparity between, for example लेते हैं. So एक Indian client है, एक foreign client है. उसको मैंने बोला यार आपको मेरे को 10 वीडियो करने हैं महीने के. So how much would be the difference between me saying that to an Indian person and international client? So if I sell 10 videos for like 15-20,000, short form I'm talking very specifically. So what do I expect from the foreign client?
Money wise you're talking
Money-wise,
about? Money wise I'll tell you like the difference that you can see between a service that we are providing to an Indian and international. It's around 50-60% more margin in an international client. And I'll tell you, the efforts that you put out in any international project is way more than the Indian project as well. but ultimately the process is way more smoother from an agency perspective also, and from like a solo person perspective also. This process is very smoother, and you can like if that person is also as passionate, and I'll tell you guys, like agency हो या कुछ भी हो, personal also अगर आप project कर रहे हो, you're taking a responsibility of someone's management, social media management, growth management. That person also should be that actively involved in that process. Like that is super important.
हाँ, मतलब उनको ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने दे दिया तो
मैंने दे दिया तुम्हारा है. And because if you suppose if I have the post marketing responsibility, I'm editing the video, but if you're not shooting that video rightly, and maybe if you're not in the right mindset or the mood, and if you're saying कि editing में छुप जाएगा, so that's not the case, right?
We cannot replace you.
हम ज़्यादा effects नहीं डाल सकते. It's like that. So, but ये चीज़ Indian market में I feel there's still lack of awareness.
Okay, so coming back, first month 2 lakhs, second month you got some of the freelancers as full time because you got some consistent clients, some more conversions. What is the revenue of second month?
Second month, it just got increased by 1 lakh because we tried upselling people in the first month. Second month tak aate, and I'll tell you कि these decisions are not very quick at all. If you are pitching someone in the first week, maybe they can take time up to more than like 5 weeks or 6 weeks. So again, like 1 month में we keep that pace. हमने जो छोटे-छोटे projects थे of $50, $60, we tried reducing it. We were like कि 100 छोटे client से बेहतर है 10 बड़े client लाना बस. Second month से we actually started realizing that drain, and तब से ही like then 3 lakh हुआ, then 4 lakh हुआ revenue, then 5 lakh हुआ. एकदम से boost I'll tell you तब आया when me and Shivatmaj, who's my other co-founder, we both started focusing on ourselves, branding ourselves. Like अभी तक post and all सब company page से जा रही थी. And I'll tell you, when there is no face behind the brand ना, brand doesn't work, and आपकी जो speed of growth ना, that decreases a lot. And we started attending a lot of networking events. And I'll tell you कि recently Shreya Pattar was also in Mumbai. I didn't miss that chance to go. Like I'll go there. I networked with a lot of people. I got a lot of people in my company also from there. So I'll tell you कि वहाँ से changing point आया. Our revenue was just increasing by 1 lakh. We got demotivated. यार हम अगर हम ऐसे revenue बढ़ाते रहे, we can't keep our company sustained. And by 5th month we were very clear कि this is not how we'll grow. We had a proper meeting regarding this, and we were like कि यार cold emailing कर रहे हैं, LinkedIn पे कर रहे हैं, और क्या वहाँ से I'll tell you हमने तब तक contribute करना चालू नहीं किया था articles पे. It was just our post storytelling, through which we were getting impressions and all. New people were coming on our page, followers were drastically.
You just mentioned कि मैं founder हूँ.
मैं founder हूँ, हाँ, कुछ भी actively नहीं हो रहा था. 5th month we changed our marketing strategy. We realized कि now we have to थोड़ा change it in a level कि यार at least we are attracting new people. कुछ नहीं तो चलो ठीक है. If not selling, we are actually talking to them and stuff. तो वहाँ से the things got changed, and I'll tell you कि जो लोग थे जिन्होंने शिवा के साथ podcast किया था before this company and everything was just getting settled, those 2 big clients got converted, and that's how revenue shot. And that's how we started scaling from there. And I'll tell you, those clients are like I can't reveal the name, obviously. But those are like big shots who are working for us with all the services, and that all was possible because he did a podcast with them. And वो एक month में नहीं आ गए थे. Shiva tried to maintain a contact with that person from 7+ months. He was in touch, like, do you require any service? Hi, hello, this, that. It was not selling at all, but he was in touch with him, and like the magic happened because we were like, okay, you don't take anything from us, but just see how we are doing things, how we are doing it differently. And हमने उनके लिए proper PPT बनाया, identifying the loopholes that they are following right now, and what they can change if they work with us. हमने एक demo video पे बनाया, do that. But because we are very clear कि हमें इन दोनों clients को on board लाना है, and from there the revenue shot. Correct.
I think it wouldn't be surprised if we work together in future. ऐसी होता है, the podcast shooting, like the history is repeating itself. But the point is, like, I feel मैंने ये line कहीं पे सुनी थी, and it so much resonates. Just solve rich people's problem. Poor people can't pay you. You know, the effort is same.
No.
But now the problem की value is exaggerated, because they know that if you don't do it, they lose a lot of their money. For them, that pain is more than giving the money to you. So they are like, जो लेना है ले लो.
Yeah, absolutely. And यार I feel ना कि मैंने वही बोला ना कि return on investment की तरफ से if people start seeing things, because at working with any of the agencies, like we are not focused कि okay, this month we'll get the payment sorted. Like यहाँ पे वो वो corporate life वाली things नहीं चलती. We are also as dedicated as towards your growth. But again, if you are not involved and that systems are not in place, that things are going to fall. And I'll tell you कि third month में we started realizing this thing that we can't work with everyone. We have to set our boundaries that okay, this client is as passionate because that things also count. Like if you grow someone from 0 to like 100K, it's not like an achievement for that person also, but it's like a boost for our team as well.
Your reputation is more at stake.
More at stake.
वो तो चला जाएगा. The point is that.
Exactly. तो third month से we actually bought this change as well. पहले तो second month में we filtered out कि we are not working with $50, $30, not at all.
See, what happens is that you cannot cater to everyone. If you're catering to everyone, you're catering to no one because then your niche is not defined.
Exactly. That's
and
true.
I feel like, see, I am sort of an agency founder right now as well, nascent stage. And what I have also realized that when we classify somebody to work with us, we also want people who are dedicated to that process. Not somebody कि ठीक है आपको हमने सब्जी बना दे दी आप बना के दे देना. You should be involved in that process.
Involved in the process.
Because for anybody like you're 7 months, we are 3-4 months. It's like the boundary that you have in that initial stage is to define the outcome, but also to keep good fishes in the pond.
Yeah.
Because that is what people will see.
Yeah.
अगर मैं ऐसे 3 बंदों को ले लिया जिनको खुद से ही कोई मतलब नहीं था, they will like अरे आपकी सर्विसेज अच्छी नहीं है इसलिए आपके वो 3-4 बंदे जो थे वो अरे नहीं मैंने तो सब कुछ दे दिया, मैंने तो चांदी की थाली में दे दिया सब कुछ परोस के. अब अगर बंदा ही is not passionate about growing, then no matter what service you take, you won't grow.
Yeah, absolutely. And वही है कि I will like take it as a blessing because we were able to realize and analyze that thing very early. And हम लोग भी remote है, like, and I'll tell you, remote working के जितने advantages है उतने disadvantages भी है. But me and my business partner, we always make sure that at least we are having this, and we are very open, we are very blunt. Like अगर if धीरज कभी जरूरी है बहुत जरूरी है because अगर आपको real picture नहीं दिखेगी, like in third month I told him we are not will not be able to sustain our business ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. So he was like, what do you think we should do? And it was like a constant brainstorming from both the ends. कि okay, this is the way we can do it because I'll tell you हमारे workflows भी बहुत अलग हैं. I'm more comfortable with Indian market because I have worked with Indians more. Shivatmaj has worked more with international clients, so he knows how to milk them actually. Like how to convince them because sales pitch is also not very easy task. Like I can't expect him to give
very different psychology.
Very different psychology. Like you get drained out after speaking to two clients.
I'll tell you, corporate में क्या होता है? The benefit of working in corporate is that you get a lot of exposure with international clients. Like 10 years मैंने सिर्फ US के लोगों से बात की. Like US, London, people from different zones. They're so sensitive कि अगर आप email में नाम गलत लिख दोगे ना तो आपको escalation मिल जाएगा. आपके मैनेजर का कि मैंने नाम गलत ले लिया. But they're also very sensitive about your time and valuing you also. It works in both the ways. So they will also say you sorry, मैंने गलती से I took 10 minutes to be in that email. मैंने अपने तरह end से ये delay कर दिया. I'm so sorry. I'm apologetic. Tell me how can I make it worth your while now. They have उनको guilt बहुत feel होता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. And I feel that how they approach work is also very.
It's very. I think I love this about West. कि प्रोसेस है ना बहुत सॉर्टेड रहता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन. दे वैल्यू योर टाइम, यू वैल्यू देयर टाइम. इट इज नॉट कि भाई हम पीछे पड़े. इंडियंस के साथ क्या हो जाता है बताएगा? पीछे पड़ना पड़ता है हर चीज. लाइक हर चीज बेसिकली इन ऑल द स्टेप्स बिकॉज़ कंटेंट क्रिएशन व्हेन इट फाइनली गोज लाइव उसके पहले देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ स्टेप्स. पैसा देने के बाद भी लाइक दे दो रॉ कंटेंट. काम करने के लिए तो कुछ दो. लाइक So I think this whole journey, I think it was like एक month के बाद में ना वो puff आपका एक mental barrier जाता है. I think we've discussed what a teen can do. We've discussed your journey. We've discussed your mindset की from 1 month to this 7 months. ठीक है. That you have been scaling and now skyrocketing. But the big win that comes after a lot of small wins.
Yeah, it was a lot of, I'll tell you, it was a lot of experimentation.
Yeah, it is.
Because email marketing starting में चालू की, we didn't get any response. I thought that it's not gonna work. But ultimately, there's like, आपको उसको heat करना पड़ता है कि हाँ यार चलो, you have to warm up your emails. Like you have to push it out for 15 days. That's like, and I am very impatient. I told my, because Shivatmaj was taking a lead on the email. I was like, Shivatmaj, this is not working. He's like, Muskan, you need to have patience. I'm like, okay, fine, I'll work on the other fronts of marketing. तो फर्स्ट मंथ में भी डेट बट अल्टीमेटली सब एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन एंड ट्राई एंड एरर प्रोसेस था. हमने $50 की भी एडिटिंग करी है स्टार्टिंग मंथ्स में, अब नहीं करते बिकॉज हमने इनिशियली रियलाइज किया कि यार ये भी तो पैसे ही है. कंपनी में ही आ रहे हैं, इट्स लाइक $50 भी छोटा नहीं है. दैट वाज द माइंडसेट इन द इनिशियल डेज. फर्स्ट मंथ में वी रियलाइज वी डोंट नीड यार 100 ऐसे क्लाइंट्स, वी नीड 10 बिग क्लाइंट्स एंड वील स्टार्ट वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट.
सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रिच
सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, हर महीने आई टेल यू कि हमारी जो मंथली मीटिंग होती है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक शिवात्मा एंड मी, बिकॉज वी स्पिल आउट ट्रुथ कि यार क्या मेरा डिपार्टमेंट यही था, तीन डिपार्टमेंट्स आई वाज हैंडलिंग फॉर द मंथ एंड दीज आर द ड्रॉबैक्स, लाइक हाउ वील गो फॉरवर्ड टू इट. दिस इज द रेवेन्यू नॉट वर्किंग आउट, हमें ये मंथ इस पे क्लोज करना है या ये ईयर इस पे क्लोज करना है, हाउ विल वी रीच. वी हैव लाइक आवर प्रॉपर प्लान्स, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि 6 महीने में डिसाइड करेंगे, चल तो रहा है, प्रॉफिट तो आ रहा है.
दैट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ हैविंग अ co-founder.
वेरी बेनिफिशियल यार. कितने आई टेल यू, मुझे
भाई बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस हो यार. 2 बंदे चाहिए बांटने के लिए.
2 बंदे चाहिए एंड आई टेल यू 2 minds ऑलवेज बेटर देन 1, बिकॉज एजेंसी खोलने के बाद देयर हैव बीन अ लॉट ऑफ एडवाइसेस कि पीपल आर लाइक मुस्कान व्हाई आर नॉट रनिंग दिस एजेंसी ऑन योर ओन, तू तो कर लेगी अकेले, लाइक यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. एंड आई टेल यू ऑपरेशंस आर लुक्ड आफ्टर मी इन द टीम, बिकॉज आई फील कि मैं टीम हैंडल कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि शिवा इज ऑन अ वेरी लीनियंट साइड ऑफ इट. सो आई वाज लाइक एक तो हमने ना अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेसेस पे भी वी हैव वर्कड अ लॉट, लाइक वेरेवर वी फील दैट वी आर स्ट्रांग इनफ वी विल डू दैट, वी हैंडल दैट डिपार्टमेंट. दैट इज वर्कड इन आवर फेवर. तो आई डू द टीम हैंडलिंग ऑपरेशन स्टफ entirely in my company still. So a lot of advices that had come to me, like people were like, Muskan, why don't you manage it alone, why there's a second person? I'm like, it's good that there's a second person, because what I've learned from that person, I've learned patience, number one. Now I've learned how the reach outs would work. I'll tell you, I'm not active on Twitter right now, but I have got a lot of business from Twitter because he's sitting and experimenting things out there. Co-founder के बहुत advantages है, and especially when you both are coming from different backgrounds, and me and him are polar opposites.
That is needed, I think that is needed.
That is needed in business. It's needed because if you both are in the same line, अगर हम दोनों ही सोशल मीडिया कर रहे हैं, बाकी सर्विसेज कौन करेगा? तो that was like a kind of advantageous situation still now, because we have a lot of thoughts कि यार ऐसे करेंगे वैसे करेंगे, then we have a fight कि यार okay this is not working out, that is not working out, but again like we take a mutual decisions whatever it has happened, like, and it has all happened because we were blunt about the processes. People are like कि नहीं यार चल तो रहा है. I've seen the agencies. My friends are also running a lot of agencies, but they are very sweet about कि यार चल तो रहा है, हमारा रेवेन्यू तो बन रहा है, we are not in loss, we are like a breakthrough, we are थोड़ा सा profitable, and like that's not how you're wasting your time. Like in a 1 month if you want to go like skyrocket shot, then you have to be very blunt. We openly say this is not working out, let's scrap it out. तो उन सबसे ही हुआ, but I'll tell you it's founders networking. मेरा network is network has been like a game changer from that time when we realized कि भाई नहीं हो रहा है ऐसे, हमें फेस बनना होगा कंपनी का. We have to come out, we have to speak, we have to tell them about our journey, we have to tell them this is not like other agency who will take a project and who will be like कि okay कर देंगे हो जाएगा, एक टीम अलॉट कर दी. because मैंने किया है एजेंसीज के साथ काम पास में. 2 people are working on 10 brands. How will that creativity come? How will that creative flair will come? सबकी अलग एक्सपर्टीज होती है. Like I have my own favorite niche whom I like to work with, जिसकी स्क्रिप्ट्स मैं ही लिखती हूँ आज भी. तो आई फील दैट एजेंसीज के, तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि यू नो व्हेन यू आर स्टेपिंग अप इन टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, मेक श्योर दैट यू वर्क फर्स्ट, लाइक गो टेक वर्क एक्सपीरियंस.
आई फील लाइक लोगों को ये बात पता नहीं होती है, एंटरप्रेन्योर वर्क्स द
hardest and I'll tell you it's not that great journey also कि entrepreneurs are doing parties this that. It's a very lonely. आपने वो recently वो statement भी देखा होगा that Uday Kotak actually said in his resignation that being an entrepreneur is a very lonely journey. Lonely journey इसीलिए because you're fighting a lot of battles that people don't know. You're managing a team, you're managing a client. Client expectation वो भी 1 की नहीं 50 की. उसके बाद then you're ensuring that your company is scaling.
I feel like क्या होता है ना, जब I think Abdul Kalam is one of the best example that I can give. Is जब आप leader हो ना, entrepreneurship is leadership.
Yeah.
So when you are a leader, you're responsible for everybody's failure in the company.
True.
तो expectation चाहे किसी से भी हो, responsibility आपकी होती. You know, मेरा rocket नहीं चला, किसी की भी fault हो, screw driver जिसने भी tight नहीं किया हो, petroleum department, whatever it is. Blame मेरा ही होगा because it's my responsibility to make it function as a one unit.
Yeah.
So entrepreneurship is like that. बोर्ड के अंदर एक भी अगर होल हो रहा है तो उसकी भी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी
मेरी है. हाँ, एंड यू नो दिस लीडरशिप आल्सो क्वालिटी आल्सो कम्स इन व्हेन यू वर्क विद अ लॉट ऑफ पर्सन. आई टेल यू कि जितनी भी चीज़ें अभी भी ट्राई फेल यही सब हो रहा है, बट अगेन लाइक स्टिल व्हाटएवर वी आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट व्हाटएवर वी डिड लास्ट मंथ, it's not what we are repeating next month. We have to work on our
I think
skills and
discarding
stuff.
is also as important as gaining something new. लोग ये बात समझते नहीं है. Like you have to eradicate the waste
Waste, yeah.
to go to the goal. मतलब वो ऐसे नहीं हो जाता कि मैं बस एक चीज़ पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ. I also need to focus on what's not working or what's maybe working but not working for us.
Yeah.
Right? So that's very important. So I think we have discussed a lot in terms of the mindset, your journey, entrepreneurship. Abhi, because the audience that I have is people who want to achieve something big in life. They want to fight for their dreams. Again, fighting for your dream is a lonely journey because you have to think big. Only you can see it. Nobody else can see it. Like you thought कि हाँ ठीक है, scale social हो जाएगा. My agency is Social Symphony. मैंने सोचा चलो हम बना लेंगे, बन गई. You know, it's all about you being confident enough कि जो आपके दिमाग में है वो एक reality है, not just an imagination.
Yeah, it's not just an illusion and all. You.
So before we end the podcast, what I would want is कि how did Muskan did it in terms of this whole mindset वाला part कि अब ये सीखने के बाद ये समझ में आ गया कि ये 2-3 क्वालिटी चाहिए. So how would you summarize your whole journey and what advice would you give to anybody out there जिसको कुछ भी करना है, like in terms of business create करना है या he wants to be the biggest freelancer, whatever. I think freelancing is again a sort of entrepreneurship, but
Yeah.
just give it to that one person out there. If you want to do this, this is what is expected, this is what will happen in the process, and this is what I'm doing right now.
Okay, so number one, I feel that we only restrict ourselves a lot. It's all over here. So stop overthinking and just go for it. That is number one, because that has helped me to where I am right now. Trust the process. Whatever is happening is like there's a reason for it, definitely. To trust your process, and most importantly in this entire journey, like abhi bhi there are so many people around me, even my family also, like who just believes that okay yaar startup khola hai, startup hi to hai, chala nahi chala. But again, like believe in your guts. Have at the gut to say no, I believe in myself. And I'll tell you, after doing this business, I find business more secure than a job. And I'll tell you why. Because on in a job you are dependent on someone else's mind, how that person is working. अगर वो बहुत success हो रही है तो आपको भी आपका जो bonus वगैरह सब है मिलेगा. You're dependent on someone else basically when you're working. But when you're an entrepreneur, it's just you. Like you, and I'll tell you, like I believe in my own capabilities. So that is another reason of having a very positive mindset every morning when I start my laptop and my work. So entrepreneurship and business is all about believing in yourself. So that's why I'm saying that business is more secure than a job, because I believe in myself rather than believing on someone else. So that is one thing that I have realized in these 7 months. Uske alawa, the things that I would like to say ki just if you are entering into this business or system, and if you want to, like, of course, do it with a co-founder or something, because that is highly recommended by me. Because
by me as well.
हाँ, because you should have like two minds always to think. Because मेरे साथ ऐसा कई बार हुआ है. I'll be very honest that I was blank. Like, what do you think? How we can grow about this and all? And that was the time when actually my business partner
You also
said
did
that we
2
will do
networks.
this. And we have a very diverse network, yeah, that has actually helped us scale very fast. Like, and ये growth imagined ही नहीं थी. I never imagined that I would grow so fast, and it's actually happening right now, all because of the networking and very diverse thinking in the ecosystem. Plus, उसके अलावा be very trustful about whom you're working with. It's very important. It's not like hiring. I used to think that यार when I was in job, hiring कितनी easy है यार. किसी को भी resume
हाँ, it's one of the most difficult challenges thing.
Toughest job, because you can't work with everyone. Everyone can't be in your like process or like the dream. कि हाँ, everyone won't even help you. Like that person would be there
not
just for
everybody
salary.
as passionate about your dream as you are, right?
Yeah.
You need to keep that in head. They're working for money, you're working for your dream.
Exactly. Exactly.
Let's keep it separate. And it teaches you a lot of life skills also.
Lot of life skills.
How do you need to value? How do you need to give the feedback? How do you need to understand सामने वाले को क्या चाहिए? You know. And I will give you, like, before we summarize this podcast, I think, you know, business versus job, both are good.
Both are good.
But what I feel the major thing for me is, job में मुझे lifetime अच्छा रहना है. Business में, even if I am crazily good for 5 years, I can sustain my life from that revenue.
Yeah.
I don't need to be in the business for my entire lifetime.
Yeah.
Right?
That's
I can scale multiple businesses go to the peak, might fail into it, get the experience, learn, become a better founder, get the revenue. I can still live a decent life.
Exactly.
In fact, better life than what an employee would live. If you are not the top 1% employee जिनको मतलब crores में packages है, for that you need to crack IIT. That's again a rat race. You need to even civil services में भी you don't
Yeah,
earn that
like you're
much.
competing
They
with
quit.
lakhs of people.
Yeah, you quit even after that selection. Like क्योंकि pressure इतना है, पैसा नहीं है, corruption का pressure है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. And recently the rate of even quitting of IPS and IS officers
Has
is I think the highest.
Yeah, it's drastic.
that it has been. So इतनी क्या बोलते हैं मेहनत करने के बाद भी if you are just
Yeah.
gonna quit and not enjoying the life that you have, ultimately you should have peace.
So I would just like to tell you all कि please always believe in yourself, on your guts. लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं उस पे don't give much attention. If you believe in your idea, just go for it. And I'll tell you, सारे fears यहाँ होते हैं. You overcome it once you try achieving it, and you won't reach your goal in like one day. Just have that patience and keep working hard towards it.
मैं ये बोलता हूँ पहली ताली हमेशा खुद ही बजानी पड़ती है. And I feel the world will believe in you. It's just that the most difficult thing that one can do is believe in their own talent.
Yes.
When no one does. So if you can do that, I think you have already beaten 99% of the crowd, because that is exactly what keeps people in job or in a very limited mindset.
Yeah.
So I think I would thank Muskan for
Thank you
giving
so
me that
much.
time. And I think I found a very good friend now, and I think this relationship will go on.
Definitely.
And मुझे बहुत मजा आया. I think we shared a lot of knowledge.
A lot of knowledge, yeah. There was so much learning from you as well, like because we are like meeting for the first time, and like I never felt like that, but this was amazing. Like
Yeah, it was
amazing
very
conversation.
candid.
It was very candid conversation, very general. Just two people talking about their own experiences.
One founder to another
One
founder.
founder to another founder.
But I think that's the podcast for today. I think you must have found this helpful. So definitely share it with at least one person who wants to achieve big in their life. And I think they can take away a lot from this conversation. So thanks again, Muskan.
Thank you so much, Neeraj, for having me.
हमारी बस एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है. अगर आप लोगों को ये पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लग रहा है ना और इससे आपकी लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड हो रही है ना, तो इसको एक बंदे के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि हम अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं एंड लोगों को उसी काम का बेनिफिट मिलता है. सो थैंक यू.